Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today we have an unboxing from some goodies I got from my friends over at New Craft Day. And here is what was in the package. So this and this and that and that and this are all things I ordered. This must be a little gift, and we'll look at this in a minute. Let's start with looking at this. Does anybody know what this is? It says it's a knitting loom, but from what I understand, it's actually a pom-pom maker. And I've been seeing a lot of these on YouTube. Usually to make pom-poms I just use my hands, but I was curious about these and look at the different sizes. So it is a pom-pom maker. I have no idea how to use this. They do have these instructions, and I will look at these and actually do a video on this at a later date. So stay tuned for that. The next thing we have here are these little clips here. These are a little bit bigger than what I thought they were. I have seen my sister use these when sewing some littler ones. These will work really well for some projects. In fact, I have something they'll really work well for now that I've got to go in there and put them on. But they're, instead of using like pins when you're sewing, you could use something like these. And like I said, I've been wanting to get some of these for a long time. So I was happy to see those on their website. These next things are these really pretty scissors. Isn't that pretty? I love the color. European classic style. Here, let me take them out of the package. These would be nice to have for just some fine work. Stainless steel. Now, these aren't scissors. It's actually a seam ripper. Isn't that pretty? I have a little seam ripper that I actually have been tempted to put in my travel case, but when I need it, and I was afraid I would forget where it was. So now that I've got this, I can put this close to my sewing machine and put the other one that has a little lid on the pointy part in with my traveling stuff. See what all this says. It's funny that they're calling these scissors. Classical scissors, full of European style. Classic scissors adhere to the fine European tradition of nobility and elegance. This is a seam ripper. All right, this I'm really excited about. I already know what I want to do with it. It is a French knitter, I think is what they call it. Here's all the instructions. I am thinking I might be able to make a beaded necklace with this. Or not a beaded necklace, a beaded bracelet with it. Well, probably a beaded necklace too, but beaded bracelet. And they had a couple of these. It was hard for me to decide. We had this really pretty bright colored one, and then they had one that kind of looked like a doll, and it was made of wood. I was kind of back and forth on which one to get, but I think this one looks a little bit sturdier. So basically what you do, you take your yarn and you wrap it around these things, and you use this needle to loop the yarn over, and then your work goes in that hole down the bottom there. And like I said, you can bead it, and I'm thinking that would make kind of a neat bracelet. I'll definitely be doing a video on that soon. Now let's look at this. It's a cross-stitch pre-printed fabric. Cotton needle. Isn't that pretty? Christmas toy store. I haven't done cross-stitching in years. I used to do cross-stitching a lot. Let me open this up and see what it looks like. All right. Here's all the yarn, or the thread. And the different colors. And it has all the instructions that you need. Tons of instructions, and the cleaning and the maintenance, which is nice. And gives you some ideas on different embroidery types. And this was inside the packet too. And it fits really nicely in this good quality Ziploc bag. All right, so these are all the things that I got from New Craft Day. Stay tuned for some videos on how I use all these goodies. If you're interested in any of these, I will leave a link down in the description box below, along with the coupon code. And you can check it out to see if maybe you want to order anything, or they got all kinds of craft stuff. It was hard for me to choose what I wanted because they have so many cool things. I want to thank everybody over at New Craft Day for sending me these fun things, and we'll see you later. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.